Hi, I'm Rebecca Sherman with Sherman NYC. Welcome to 4926 Goodridge Avenue in the Fieldston Historic District in Riverdale, New York. This is considered the estate section for Manhattan, and this home is no disappointment. This 6 to 7 bedroom Craftsman-Style home is filled with modern and luxurious touches. Designer styled and enchanting, it is filled with modern spaces. The home sits on 1/3 of an acre and gives you plenty of space for outdoor activities. There's a lovely front lawn, great for playing outside or even just sitting in a chair and reading. The pergola is perfect for a glass of wine or just sitting in the shade. And a large stone patio is perfect for entertaining. When you enter into this beautiful foyer, you know you're in for a treat. Original from 1915. These beautiful floors are one of the many original details you'll find throughout the home. Entering the living room is like stepping back in time. Looking through the wall of windows, you can see the beautiful gardens. But the focal point of this room is the impressive wood-burning fireplace. Whether you're sitting on a couch or nestled with a book on the built-ins, this room offers so much space for relaxing and entertaining. Step up into this east-facing dining room that could easily seat a party of 20. A wall of windows and doors face out onto the patio, and you can open them all up and feel the afternoon breeze. In fact, it's almost like dining al fresco inside. Built in 1915, the home has been renovated and expanded at least twice, but the flow is so natural it's hard to imagine what's original and what isn't, including the lovely wainscoting and molding in the dining room. Stepping off from the dining room is one of my favorite rooms in the house, this lovely sunroom, filled with southern light and a radiant heated floor. You can just sit here with a book and relax. This kitchen has had a wild run. First purple, then maple, and now custom-built blue cabinets from Brooklyn. It's a large open space filled with all the bells and whistles. Lots of modern touches, yet still speaking to the home's original bones. It has a large center island made of Caesar stone quartz, 2 sinks. It has a beautiful 6-burner stove with a griddle. And as a vertically challenged person, I appreciate the fact that there are no super high cabinets that require a step stool every time you need to get something. Upstairs, there are 4 to 5 bedrooms, including the spacious primary suite. This primary suite is larger than most apartments in New York City. It has a main bedroom, 2 walk-in closets, and 2 offices connected. The bedroom is at the back of the house and is pin-drop quiet. It has exquisite details like a lovely skylight and a Juliet balcony. And it's so spacious, there's room for a sitting area and a desk. What I love most about this suite is this bathroom. 2 sinks, a clawfoot tub, and a steam shower. This historic home is filled with character, yet has all the modern details you need. Just 10 minutes from Manhattan, but a world away. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?